the victim got shot, it was a white Mercedes with police pit made a left on the fence.
Fuck this, stay with them. Yeah, 8 Henry 22. I'm with the white Mercedes. It's going to be a temp tag. Zebra Henry Robert 3426. We'll be close to Wayne and Dale.
Unit 2 says that Wayne and Dale. Unit 2 says that Wayne and Dale said the stop white Mercedes. 8 Henry 12 direct, thank you.
Roll down your window.
George 22 direct, yours is unit 12.
Driver. Roll down the window. Turn the engine off. Keep your hands where we can see them.
Direct.
Their hands out.
No.
Driver. Driver.
I got it. Hey, put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! Driver, put your hands out the window! Both hands! Put both hands out the window, driver!
3. You start, driver.
Driver, reach on the outside, open your door.
Yep.
Ah, stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Nobody fucking move!
Where's the shoot at? Down the street. Put both hands out the window, driver.
3. You start, driver.
Driver, reach on the outside, open your door.
Yep.
Ah, stay in the car!
start, driver.
Driver, reach on the outside, open your door.
Yep.
Nice.
Nobody fucking move!
Where's the shooter at? You got a flashlight?
Go ahead.
All right, guns on the ground. Y'all see it? Guns right down the ground. Don't mean he don't have one, don't have two. I'm walking up with the dog shield. Take lead. I'm right behind you.
904 Bodycam Street.
Look at the car. We don't know if anybody's in there. All right, you got it? All right. All right, come, hold on, put your gun down unless you're moving up on line.